you saved my life. Do you remember me? Oh, come on, you say you remember me.
Of course I remember you. You're the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
You should take a look at your own reflection. I've seen rainbows reaching skyward, pass between the clouds and fade from view. I thought I knew what beautiful was, but now I've seen you.
And now I've seen the willow weeping branches, the misty morning air. A clear starry night has nothing to compare with you. And you knew? You knew I was a swan this whole time?
Of course I did. That's why I asked you to come with us. If only your wings had been strong enough.
Well, then, if you'd come with us, then our way.